Hi viewers, welcome to Heal Your Soul. Thank you for watching. So today's topic is, who is sending evil light or negative energy towards you? It's a pick a card reading, so you need to choose one card, whichever you are drawn towards. So let's get into the reading. Pile number 1, who choose blue pile. Who is evil in you and sending negative energy towards you? So pile number 1. So pile number 1. This person may be your husband, ex-husband, or the person who is authoritative in your life, who feel that they have some kind of control or authority on you. Or there may be your boss whom you are working for, or your subordinate. They are in some kind of boss position where people are under their control, or at least they want everything should be in their control, because this is an emperor card. Emperor means they want everything under their control, and they will keep everything under their control. So this may be either they are your husband or ex-husband, or the person who is your boss. This person keeping eye on you, and moreover they are sending evil eye. I think they are keeping tabs on you. They are completely noticing each and everything, what you are doing, what is happening in your life. They are noticing everything. This person sending evil eye or negative energy towards you. The reason is maybe you are not under their control. Maybe in the past you used to listen to them. The way they want to go, the things you used to follow their rules. Now I think you are not listening to them, or at least now you want to live your life according to your rules, or at least you don't want to be under anyone's control. You want to be free in your life, or you want to take decisions independently. You don't want to depend on anyone. This person is very control freak. The emperor itself is a controlling person. They want everything is under their control. If at all anyone is not under their control, they will do things, or they will use some powers, whether that powers may be their position, their money, no matter. Mostly authority. They will be holding some kind of authority. So with that they try to control the people. With that authority they try to control the people. Maybe here I think you are not going to listening to them, or completely as of now you are not under their control. Or at least you are trying to come out of their control. But this person want you to be under their control. You to follow whatever they are telling, their rules and regulations. So now take the messages as it resonates, whether they are your spouse, ex-spouse, because here I don't think they are presently they are not in your life. It is not that they are not in your life, they don't have complete control over you, and they want that. Maybe you are doing something good more than them, or at least you are not informing them anything. Earlier you may be giving everything, you are giving information about you, everything, whatever is happening in your life. Now you are not giving them. Now you are keeping secrets. It is not keeping secrets. You just don't want to share it because you want to come out of this control. And this person is keeping tabs on you. First thing, he's sending evil and negative energy towards you. That whatever you are doing, you should not get successful, because they want you to be under their control. They don't want to lose control over you. So here, pile number 1, whoever they are, be careful with this person. Here I can suggest you one thing. Whether they are boss, they are your ex-spouse, whoever they may be, come into your power. Emperor can be controlled only by Empress. If you are come into in your power, if you hold the power of Empress, you can handle this person. You can take control over this person. Or at least you can handle them. They cannot control you. You both will be on the same page. I think here they are treating you like you are less than them. That's the reason they want to control you. Because Emperor, they don't control Empress, because they both hold the same energy, same vibration and same power. So they don't control each other. Here I think you are less than them. So either they are your boss or husband. That's whatever they may be. Even though they are your boss also, you don't need to listen each and everything, because they hire you that you have that skills. You have that skills, intelligence. That's why they hire you. It doesn't mean that they are your boss. You need to listen each and everything, whatever they tell you. Okay, it is that you are doing your job. That's it. So you no need to be anyone's control. That you should understand. And here what I can suggest you is just be careful. First thing, be careful with this person. Okay, because they know a number of tactics how to get people into their control. This Emperor means they know how to control the people. So one way or other way, they try to take control over you. So first thing, be in your power. Even though if you are employee also, if you are working under them also, be in your power. No one is, if they are your boss, it doesn't mean that they are above you. Okay, if you are a subordinate, it doesn't mean that someone can take advantage of you or someone can control you. It is just work relation, means it should be work relation. That's it. If they are your husband also, you don't need to be under their control, because both will be partners. So you should be equal, give and take should be there. Someone no need to control you. So pile number 1, I think you literally want to come out of this person's controlling nature. That is the reason this person keeping tabs on you and try to get that control over you. They don't want to lose that control. So here what I can suggest you is work on yourself. Get your power back. I think you already started. That's why they are sending negative energy. Be in your power. Then only you can handle this person. No matter how hardly they may try, protect yourself from this negative energy. You will get some. Keep yourself free from all negative thoughts. First thing, don't involve in things which will lower your vibrations. Keep high vibration, and whatever you are doing, work professionally, personally also, dedicate yourself, concentrate on yourself more than anyone. Whatever you are doing, concentrate on your career. Don't try to depend on anyone. Be independent as you are. That's how you will get that power, and you will come into the Empress power, where you can handle this person, or else it's very difficult to handle this kind of person. Actually, Emperor is a good person, but the thing is they want everything is under control. If they don't, they can do anything to get that control. So here there is only one thing, you need to improve your energy, vibration. and have some protection. If you can stay, if you are staying from away from this person, it is a well and good. If you are there, your husband, and you are staying with them, just be careful. I don't think you are living together, because this person is emperor. They may be your ex-husband. I am not sensing that you both are living together anyway here. So just keep yourself protected. As I said, be in high vibration. Don't involve in any kind of activities which will kill your vibration. Because see, when I say that evil eye, negative energy, how they affect us means simply whatever we are doing. If we are in low vibration, that work will be disturbed. We will get a lot of obstacles. If we vibrate high, no matter how many people are sending evil eye and negative energy towards you, nothing can touch you, because you will vibrate high. Your vibration will be high. It won't affect. That's why I'm telling. Try to be in high vibration and protect yourself. That's how you can deal with this person and come into your power. That is Empress power. Very independent woman who don't afraid to deal with anyone. That energy should come to deal with this person, or else you will be under their control. So let's move on to pile number 2, who choose red pile. Who is sending evil eye or negative energy towards you? So pile number 2, this person is Queen of Cups, who is sending evil eye and negative energy towards you. I think simply they are thinking something bad should happen to you, because maybe you rejected their cup of love, or they are dealt with people who did not understood their love, the way they present their love, or this person is very nurturing, caring, loving, affectionate. They know how to give, but they don't know how to receive the love. Even though other people are showing love and kindness towards them, they don't know how to receive it. They behave like they are well matured. They don't need any kind of love from anyone. This is the problem with this kind of people. Queen of Cups. This person is very loving, caring. They know how to give that love, affection towards others, but they don't know how to receive it. That is also one reason why people take love from them, even though some of few people who want to give that love, reciprocate that love, they don't accept it. And people stop giving or stop reciprocating that love and compassion towards them. And one point where it will come like they feel drained emotionally. They feel emotionally drained, or they feel like they are alone, no one is taking care of them, or they feel like no one cares about them, or no one giving importance to their love. Actually, the thing is they don't know how to receive the love. I think this person is now learning that. Whoever sending evil eye, actually the thing is here, I don't think they are particularly literally sending that evil eye. They are in pain, I can say. They are feeling lack of love. They are feeling that no one is caring for them, or no one is taking care of them. So finally they understood that they need to give that love to them. That self-love is very important. So they understood that. Before showing love to others, it is very important to give that love to themselves. Finally they understood that they are doing. I think they started doing self-love. Finally they are doing that. But the thing is, there will be some disturbances will be there, because self-love is the first stage of inner work. So where they will be having lot of issues with themselves, with others. as well as. That's what I said. No, this person is very loving, caring, but the thing is they don't know how to receive. That is the problem with this person. They know how to give, they don't know how to receive. This person need to learn how to be receptive. Then only they can understand what it is like give and take, how to maintain equal give and take. Here this person is emotionally drained. They don't know, maybe they may be having family and friends, people who love them, but the thing is they are not in a position to take their love, receive their love, because as I said, they are not receptive. So anyway, they are doing something good, that they are learning how to do self-love. They are offering this cup to themselves. Maybe in the past they offered this cup to everyone, including you, I think, but no one, it is not that no one is caring, it is just that they have problems with it. It is simply their own problem. They need to deal with it. They need to learn so many things. They need to learn, because simply giving is not love. This person need to learn that. Maybe they may be having so many issues. First thing, they have so many issues with themselves, which they need to heal. Second, because of that, they are feeling that people are not giving or showing same kindness, love towards them. Because of that, they are feeling, it is not hatred, but simply they are sending evil eye, or they are feeling negative thoughts about you. It is not even negative energy, it is just they are having negative thoughts about you. Not just you, I think maybe there are some other people also. They are feeling negative thoughts about their close people whom they expected love from them, but they did not receive the way they want it. That is a problem with this Queen of Cups. But anyway, they are learning now self-love. They are in the starting stage of inner work. They are finally doing self-love. They are finally giving that cup to themselves. So it will take time to them to come out of this energy. I don't think they are in the right energy now. That is the reason why they are sending negative energy towards people who is not here. I cannot even say that they are enemies, because this person need to heal. So pile number 2, don't need to worry about this person, because they need to work on themselves. They need to learn lot of things. Now slowly they have started learning it. At least at the first step they have started they understood that they need to love themselves. So finally they understood self-love is important. So they are doing that. So what I can tell you is, just leave them as they are, okay? Because it is very important them to do this self-love. So don't disturb them. Just live your life. Don't disturb them. If they come by themselves, then you can help them working on themselves, because I think they are in that process. But here you cannot do anything. They need to work on themselves. So just don't disturb them. Be in your life, whatever you are doing, continue doing it, because anyway if they are thinking negative also, it won't affect you, because they have problem with themselves. Just understood that if they are your friend or family member, just understood that they have some issues to deal with themselves. So don't take it in a negative way. If they hurt you also, understood this person need much love, especially that self-love is very important for this person now. So anyway, you are watching reading now, so don't think negative about this person, okay? Because they already need lot of love. Pray for this person. Send some good prayers, because they need it. They are not in a good position. So don't take it in a bad way if they are your friend or family member. It will take time to come out of it. So let's move on to Pile number 3, who choose white pile? So who is sending EV line or negative energy towards you? So pile number 3, this person is in the past, they felt stuck in some situation where they are unable to move forward. They are unable to take any kind of steps forward because they felt like they are blindfolded. It is 8 of Swords. But in the currently, they are in the current energy where they are came out of this stuck energy. In the past, they maybe felt stuck, but finally they came out of it. Now they are started seeing the things clearly. They are no more feeling stuck. They are able to take the steps forward in their life. They maybe felt some blockages. Yeah, that's what, stuck. Feeling stuck in some way where they are unable to do anything. They don't even understand what is happening in their life because this person is blindfolded. They are unable to see the things clearly. They are unable to see the things anything. So this person finally came out of this position. This person is sending evil eye to you or negative energy to you. I think the reason why they are sending you is, no matter how true it is, they are feeling that whatever they felt, because this 8 of Swords is not a good situation. It is a very stuck situation where one person feels helpless, hopeless. They feel like blindfolded. They are unable to understand what is happening. They are unable to take any kind of steps. It is completely binding someone. But the thing is here, no one will do that. It is their mental thoughts, their own mind blocks, mental blocks, their own mental blocks. These are. But the thing is here, this person is thinking that you are the reason for this situation. This person thinking in that way. That is completely false, because 8 of Swords itself is a card where the person is having completely mind blocks. It is nothing to do with physical sense. They can easily come out of this. But this person don't understand that. They will think that someone is blocking them. Someone is making them to stuck in some position. Someone is blindfolded them. Someone is making them hopeless or helpless. This is what they think. These all things are mental blocks. Their own mental blocks. They created themselves in their brain. Finally, they came out of it. But the thing is, this person thinking, because of you, they were in this position in the past. That is the reason they are sending that evil eye and negative energy towards you, because they have some kind of anger towards you, because this is not a good position. This 8 of Swords is not a good position where people can feel blocked, stuck. So they may spend some time in this situation, in this position where they felt a lot of different kind of things which cannot be explained to anyone. That's what I said. It is a mental blocks, nothing to do with anyone. So no matter what happened, finally this person came out of those mental blocks. They are no more feeling stuck. They are no more feeling blindfolded. They are no more feeling hopeless or helpless, because they are out of this position. But the thing is here, they need to understand that it is their self thoughts which make them to think in this way. But this person is not, I think they are not reached in that position till now. They did not acknowledge it. They're still thinking that you are the reason why they are why they were in this position. You are the reason that they felt stuck, they felt hopeless, they felt helpless, they felt like blindfolded. They cannot see anything. That is the reason they are having some anger issues here completely. That's why they are sending some negative energy towards you. So here I don't know who is this person to you, whether they are your friend, family member or co-worker. Take as it resonates if anyone is there in your life. Just protect yourself, give them some time, because this kind of situation will be solved but slowly, because this person just now, I think recently they came out of this situation. So it will take some more time to understand the things more clearly. Now they are started seeing the things clearly, but not completely. They need to understand so many things. So here you need to give some time to this person. Don't do anything towards them, because when you are watching negative energy and evil eye, don't think that they are your enemy, and you don't need to do any kind of harm to them. Okay, it is simply they need to understand the things, and this reading is to help you to protect yourself, not to harm them. Okay, so whoever they may be, just give some time to them. They won't harm you anyway, because they finally came out of this mental block. They simply need to understand little bit deeper, in the deeper level. They need to understand things in the deeper level. It will take time. Not this person, whoever will be in this situation, it will take time. So give some time to them. They will understand exactly what happened, why it happened. Then they will, if at all they are feeling angry towards you also, they will clear those negative feelings towards you. Angry, negative feelings, whatever. So just give time to them, and what I can suggest you is, for some time stay away from this person. Don't do something which can make situation more complicated, because here that situation became complicated. Finally they came out of this and they are understanding the thing. So if you do something negative again, it will become more complicated. So just give some time to them. They will understand the things slowly. Just protect yourself. As I said, I think it is not a very severe level of negative energy. Just it is their own suffering. They suffered a lot actually. This Eight of Swords means, see, as I said, it is our own mental blocks. So definitely people will suffer a lot. When we have some kind of mental blocks, it is very difficult to understand the things. That time it is very painful to understand the things, because we can't even explain to others what is happening. So this person had it. So it will take time for them. So whatever that suffering is there, because of that suffering they are cursing you, are thinking negative about you, are sending evil eye. That's it, nothing more than that. So once they understand the things clearly, they will forget about, or they will leave the situation completely, because here they came out of the situation but they did not leave the situation completely. It is still there in their brain. That's why they are still thinking that you are the reason because of all this. So give some time, they will understand the things. So let's move on to pile number 4, which is green pile. So who is sending evil eye and negative energy towards you? So pile number 4. Here not just one person, I think there are so many people around you who is feeling jealous about you, or evil eyeing you, or sending some negative energy towards you, because there are so many new things, new beginnings are happening in your life. And these are 8 of Rats, completely new beginnings. Whatever hard work you did, it is like 7 of Wands. Putting lot of efforts, doing lot of hard work, not giving up. So finally you reach to 8 of Wands, where you are seeing the result, where whatever hard work you did in the past, or whatever efforts you kept, everything is coming into fruition, I can say. You are able to see the success now. You are going towards the success. You are finally achieving that result for that hard work. But here there are so many people around you who are not happy for that. You maybe did a lot of hard work, but they are not understanding that. They are simply seeing that those new beginnings in your life, and they are not happy. There may be your friends, family. I think there are so many strangers also, because 8 of rods means so many people. It's like a team. So many people, not just 1 or 2 people. People around you. So here, pile number 4, it is very important for you to be protected. Protect your energy. Because when you are when you are getting successful or whatever you are doing, you are seeing the positive result. You are becoming something. It is very natural that people around you will feel jealous and they will send evil eye, knowingly or unknowingly. It is not that wantedly they will send. Simply if they see that and when they feel that wow, they are getting something great, that is also become like an evil eye. So it is very important for you to protect your energy. Protect yourself, protect your energy. It is very important for you, because there is not 1 or 2 people, there are so many people around you. There are so many people who are sending negative energy. They don't want you to be successful. There are people who don't want you to be successful. They don't want to see you as successful, or they don't want you to receive the success whatever you are doing, no matter what you are doing. Because here all the wands are flourishing. Finally you are seeing the result for your hard work. You are reaching your goal. You are reaching your destination. But it is natural. There are people who don't want you to receive this or reach your goal. It is not that they are going to do something, they want to stop you, because I don't think they have that power. Just simply protect your energy. That's it. You need to protect your energy. You need to be very careful whom you are dealing, because when you are in this kind of energy, so many people will get attracted towards you. So there are negative and positive people will be there. So it is your responsibility. You need to find out whom to allow, whom should not allow, whether energetically or whether physically. So here, pile number 4, you need huge protection, I can say. So there are so many ways how you can protect yourself. So go for it and do some remedies which can help you to protect your energy and keep your energy high. Anyway, it is high, you are vibrating high, that's why you are moving towards your destination. If you are in the lower vibration, you cannot be in this position. Keep that vibration and do more inner work, whatever you are doing for vibrating high. Keep doing that, continue doing that, and if possible, take some other precautions also, or some cleansings will be there. If you do that, it will be helpful for you. If anyone is sending negative energies also, it won't affect you. So you need to cleanse yourself time to time. Your energy should be very clean. You need to do some cleansings. There is so many ways you need to follow, whichever you are okay with it, whichever suitable to you or your lifestyle. You can follow that and protect your energy. But here it is very important for you to protect your energy, because here there is not 1 or 2 people. There are so many people around you, and moreover there are strangers also. It is not that there are your family members or friends. They may be also there. There are strangers also. You don't even know them. They are feeling jealous about you. So it is here I cannot say that what kind of cleansings you can do. You will find it anyway in Google, or any tarot reading cards will be there. Tarot readings, anyway you are watching tarot readings, watch how to cleanse yourself kind of readings. You will find exactly in what way you can protect your energy, or you can see the readings regarding how to protect your energy also. If it is possible, I will do that reading. Watch it, because here you need to do that. If you are protecting your energy, well and good, but it is very important. You need to keep doing that. You cannot, and you should be very careful whom you are entertaining. So let's move on to pile number 5, who choose yellow pile, who is sending evil eye and negative energy towards you. So pile number 5, whoever sending evil eye and negative energy towards you, they don't have clarity about their situation. Whatever situation they are currently, they don't have clarity about that situation, and they are very much in confusion mind, and whatever they are doing, their actions completely depends on emotional level. Whatever their actions they are taking based on emotions. They are not thinking logically. Here they should be rational, but here they are irrational. They are just giving importance to their emotions rather than the logic. They need to think logically. And this person is very confused. They are not with clear mind. They need to know so many things, because nothing is clear in front of them. But whatever they are seeing, whatever is there in that situation, current situation, on that they are acting emotionally. Because of that, they are thinking negatively towards you. They are thinking very negatively, and they are in some kind of, I think they are using harsh words also. Here harsh communication is also happening, I can say. They may be using harsh communication, or they are thinking negative thoughts, or they even throwing some negative words towards you. Because the simple thing is, there is some situation where they need to sit and think. They need to take some time, but here the person is unable to do that. This person is thinking emotionally. They need to stop thinking emotionally for a while, and they need to concentrate on the logic. Then the things will get clear. Then the confusion will be gone. Then they can make the decisions. Then they can speak something. But here, this person is not in a position to understand all those things. They are very much in confusion. And there is no clarity about the situation also. No matter what kind of situation it is, because this is a one card reading, so I cannot tell exactly what situation it is. It may be some kind of misunderstandings. Ace of Swords means it is a communication. So obviously when communications things means, definitely it will be misunderstandings. So here there may be some kind of misunderstandings is there in between you both. But the thing is, here this person should think logically. Why it happened, how it happens. They should see both the sides. But here this person is not in a position to do that. They are very much into emotional side. This person is sending evil eye. It is not that they are simply thinking negative about you, because they are very much unclear about the things, and they are simply, see, when we are completely emotional, how we behave. We will throw some harsh words, we curse the people, opposite people. We are not in a position to think what exactly the thing is or the situation is. Same thing is happening with this person. This person is unable to understand the things clearly, just because they are emotional. They are feeling emotional rather than rational. Maybe this person may be a logical person, but now in the current situation they lost that logic, or they are not even thinking about their logic senses existed. this person. They are using some harsh words also. They are telling some harsh words or cursing them, cursing you. So be careful about this person, because I don't think it is a good thing to have this kind of people around us. This person may be very logical, but the thing is, whatever happened in between you, that situation they are taking it personally, emotionally. They are feeling emotionally. They need to come out of it, and they need to take some time, and they need to sit and think logically. The things will be cleared. At least they can see the things clearly. So pile number 5, whoever choose yellow pile, just stay away from this person for some time. Keep some distance. Once they understand the thing, see, when the person feeling emotional, it won't be stay for very long time. Okay. Once they get into their senses, when they are completely emotional, they will lose senses. When they get into some senses, they will understand the things slowly. They can able to think things logically. So give some time to this person. Don't, if they are fighting with you, don't fight. Don't involve in that fight. Okay. If they want to drag you also, don't go. Don't get involved in that fight, because this person needs some clarity. They don't have that clarity now. They should get that clarity. So time will give that clarity. Let some time pass. If some time if you leave it for some time, slowly they will see the things clearly. That clarity will come. Then slowly they will think in logical way. Whatever situation had happened, they will at least look at that situation in the logical way. Then the things will be cleared. I don't think it will be cleared currently as of now. So what I can suggest you is, stay away from this person. If they are telling something wrong also, don't get into that chaos. Okay, because here it is a strong energy that they want to get into fight with you. So don't get into that fight, because it will make situation more worse. It won't solve, it will become more worse. So to handle the things as of now, stay out of it. Change your focus to some other things, because this person need to get that logic. It is not your problem. Whoever they are, you are dealing with, they need to get some, they need to control their emotions first. They need to control their emotions. Once they control the emotions, they can see the things logically. Once they start seeing the things logically, they will understand why it happened, how it happens, and how much you are responsible for that situation. Now they are very emotional that they are unable to understand what is happening, and they are ready to fight with you. So now, as per your situation, take the messages, and if really someone is there around you who is trying to do all this fighting and all those things, don't get involved in that. Keep calm. Keep yourself calm. Give some time to them. Let them understand the things clearly. You don't need to do anything to clear this misunderstandings, because it will, that's what I said. If you involve in that, it will get more worse. So let it happen naturally. Let it unfold the things naturally. Because when people are in emotion, they won't understand what we are telling. Okay, because they are very much into that emotions. They are completely dwell into their emotions. They are unable to see the things clearly. So we need to give some time to them. Once they came out of that emotions, they can understand the things. At least if you are telling also, they can understand. When they are emotional, they are unable to understand anything. The same thing is happening with this person. So stay away from them and give some time to them. Time will solve this problem. Because I don't think you can do something personally. Because if in this kind of situations, if you tell something also, they feel like still you are either lying or you are cheating or you are going against them. Total negative things they will think. Even though you want to help them, still they think that you are not helping. They won't think that you are helping them. They think that you are manipulating them. Because that's the reason you should give some time to that person, whoever they are. Let them process their emotions. Okay, because this person is completely in the emotional sense. Let them process their emotions. Once they process their emotions, they will slowly understand the things. Then they will slowly in a positions to see the things in a logical sense. Once they start seeing the things logical sense, then problem will be cleared actually. Here the problem is they are completely in the irrational mindset. They need to be rational. The situation needs that rational mindset, but they are irrational. And because of this, they may be cursing you, they may be sending negative words towards you, they may be telling some negative words towards you. Just ignore all those things. Just give them some time. Let them understand the situation clearly. Let them process their emotions. So thank you for watching. For more readings, you can like and subscribe. For personal readings, you can mail me. You will find the details in description box.